today we are installing a cold air intake on a 07 through 08 Silverado, Yukon, Tahoe, Suburban, all that. It fits all this. So we're going with a Spectre air intake. That's it right there. That's your part number. I'll put it on the description below as well. So it comes with instructions. And here's the kit itself. So comes with everything you need. All right, so let me go through it real quick. Here's all your couplers. This is part of the panel to block off all the hot air. You got your tube here. You got clamps, a hose. Here's the panel itself to block off all the hot air. I guess we'll have to assemble it, put a piece to it, and last but not least, your air filter. So this is in this box. Let's go ahead and start removing the OEM intake. So we're going to start by removing the cover and everything else you see here. So to remove the cover, this just pries up, comes out. Same thing with this, just pries out. Alright, once this cover is off, let's go ahead and start removing all the clamps. Just disconnect this mass airflow sensor. Just push the tab, pull out, comes right off. Alright. So we're using this 5/16. Makes it super easy. Take everything off instead of a screwdriver. Okay, that's that. Alright, next year we'll need a T20 to take off this cover, the bolts on this cover itself. Go ahead and take them all off, 4 of them. All right, after that, this comes off. Not gonna need any of this anymore. Old filter, need a replacing. Then you got your this O2. This mass airflow adapter, you're going to need it later on, so we'll set this here. And then this just pops out. Let's see. Alright, and then go ahead and take this one off as well. Alright, there it is. Alright, also make sure you remove the breathing coupler. It goes right here. So you have to remove this. There it goes. See, there's a piece right there. Alright. And you have everything over here set in place. So we're going to start putting this together. Here's all the hardware. Here's the holes that we're going to be using. The elbows, all the adapters and everything. So alright, so here's the piece itself. So you have this piece here, the one that has the tube coming in through. You got this piece on this side, and then this piece is oriented towards the bottom. So and the 3 bolts that you're going to use are provided, which are all in these black ones here. And I used the washers and the nuts in the back, the ones that are provided as well. So let me go ahead and tighten these up. Comes with the Allen key, and then on this end I'll just use a adjustable wrench. Alright, so we're gonna remove this bolt here, this bolt here, this bolt here on this side right there, and this bolt here by the radiator. So we're gonna remove those. These bottom ones are 10 mils. And sorry, this is gonna be a 13 mil. All right, so we're gonna reuse all these bolts right here. There's the other two. All right, we're gonna reuse these. Bring in the shroud. Okay, goes in this way. Put the one that goes over here first, by the radiator. Put these other ones on. Remove that rubber grommet so you can sit all the way down. Once you secure all these bolts, 1, 2, 2 10s, 10 mils, and the 13 mil, let's go ahead and put this piece that goes here for the air filter. So this is the piece that's going to go there, all right, with the orientation with the big side towards the bottom. And then you got your 2 bolts as well, which are 10 mils. Go ahead and install it. Put your bolts. That's in, and get the other one in. Let's go ahead and install the filter. Alright, that's in. Nice and snug. There it goes. Let's go ahead and attach the other pieces over here. Go ahead and start by installing this elbow here in the throttle body. I'm not going to tighten anything up until everything's in place. Alright. Alright, so make sure you install your mass airflow sensor. Go ahead and secure it. Alright, that's in. Go ahead and connect the plug. It's right here. Before you forget. Alright, these right here are going to be 8 mils. You got your adapter. It's going to go here. Alright, there it goes. Tighten it up. There it goes. Alright, bring the tube itself. There it goes. Go ahead and tighten it up right there. That's tight. Snug this one up as well. Kind of adjust it. There it goes, it's in. There it is. Alright, now to connect this tube that goes in the back. Alright, this tube will just slide into place here. We should go right there. Nice and snug. Make sure you push it in all the way. The other piece goes right here. There it goes. There it is. Alright. And then don't forget the shield that goes here. Start out by installing it from here. Just pushes in. was easier to install this before. But we are getting it. There it goes, it's in. All right, go ahead and start it up, see what it sounds like. Feel the airflow, much better. There it is, guys, cold air intake installed. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate y'all for all the support. And I will post all the links to all the stuff I use right below. Appreciate y'all. Catch you on the next one.